Greetings, my V family all over the world. This is your Chief. Welcome to my Wednesday message, week number 7. And this is an exciting week for all of you because this is the week, if you sign up, you qualify for the Double Love Bonanza, which means if you sign up on week 7 and you qualify for your first step by week 16, you will double your first step commission. As long as it's not self-qualified, you must refer Find 2. So if you sign up in week 7 and you qualify for your first step by week 16, QNet will automatically double your first step commission. That means if you earn 225, you will earn 450 instead. Unbelievable. Alright, Bonanza. Okay, which is something you must not miss, the Double Love Bonanza promo. Now I'm here in the beautiful Palace Hotel in Dubai, where I stopped over for one day to meet some amazing warriors from Team Faith. And then in a few hours, I fly all the way to the beautiful city of Accra, Ghana for V Africa. Okay? Alright guys, and this Wednesday message, my message is very clear. I have always said that one of the most important elements in network marketing, okay, is the dream. And I think a lot of people got confused with this message. And today I want to give you clarity. When you do the 8 basic building blocks, whether you are brand new watching this, I hope you have done your 8 basic building blocks, whether you're middle of your journey or you are a veteran, max out king or queen, or V kids, V teens, alright? The dream is the most important aspect of your networking journey. But here's the problem. A lot of people, including you, and you know this, you set your dream for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. And then your mind and your body and everything within your system assumes that you have a lot of time to achieve it. And you lose completely your sense of urgency. And people tend to chill out, relax, go with the flow, hoping and imagining that they have 3 years, 5 years, 7 years to achieve that dream. Therefore, I don't need to push myself. I can chill out. I can have a normal, balanced life. I don't need to be aggressive in networking in any way. And that's the biggest mistake people make. So I realized that a lot of people misunderstood when I said dream, because I said in my dream module 8 basic building blocks that to reach the ultimate dream of financial freedom, you need to make sure that you understand that you have many goals before you reach that. And that's why in my life, my story, my time, live broadcast, I reaffirm that this year 2025, I want all of you to think differently. And how do you think differently? It begins very simply that I need you and you must, this year be specific about the goals and dreams that you're going to achieve for 2025. Don't write anything else, guys. Write your 2025 dreams. Now look at me and listen to me. It means that you have to be so specific to know exactly what you want to achieve this year, 2025. What you want to buy this year, 2025. What are you going to achieve this year, 2025? Are you guys with me? If you have not written it down and counsel your upline and figure out your dreams for 2025, you just wasted 50 days of your life of 2025. Because while you're watching my Wednesday message right now, we have already finished 50 days of 2025. It's gone. You can never get it back. And as I assume, as I know, and be truthful with me, be truthful with yourself, many of you have wasted these 50 days. These 50 days, you did not push yourself with a sense of urgency. These 50 days, what did you do? So be honest with yourself. You haven't started 2025 seriously yet. Now it's time to start 2025 seriously. And it begins with you having clarity, absolute clarity of your goals and dreams that you want to achieve this year, 2025. So I remember in the early days, I used to go to Dato Sri Vijay and I used to tell him, For example, in 1999, I wanted to buy my first brand new car for myself, which was a Malaysian car. All right, still one of the most beautiful dreams that came through for me. It was an expensive car, but it was brand new. I think at that time cost 10,000 US dollars. And I told him that I was going to buy this car this year. He said, what day, what date, what time are we going to the showroom to pick up your brand new car? I said, excuse me? He said, yeah. He said, don't tell me you're going to buy this car this year. I want you to tell me what day, what date, and what time are we going to pick this car up from the showroom? And that was one of my biggest clicks. That a dream and a goal, the big ones, financial freedom, all right, giving the best for your family, all right, giving the best for your kids, all this is beautiful. And don't get me wrong, it's still important to have those dreams. But for 2025 dreams, I want you to be so specific, so scientific, all right, that you know exactly when, what day you're going to buy that iPhone. When, what day are you going to drive that car out of the showroom? When, what day are you going to buy that apartment, put the down payment, figure out the mortgage with the bank? All right, if you're going to take your family for holiday, what day are you going to the airport to leave for the holiday? Which 5-star hotel are you checking in, or 4-star hotel, or 3-star hotel? How is the holiday going to be? Where are you going to eat? Which restaurant are you going to go to? I want you to be so scientific, so specific with your dreams and goals for 2025 that you will be able to tell me or your upline, the one you're counseling with, the day, the date, the time, and what exactly are you going to achieve? What exactly is that dream that you're aiming to achieve? If you're going to buy an iPhone, and please, like I said on My Life, My Story, My Time, an iPhone is a dream and I respect it. To me, it's a phone, but to somebody, it's a dream. I want you to tell me what color is the phone. Is it the titanium one? What memory? Is it 512 GB or 1 terabyte or 256 GB? Are you buying it with the silicone case, with the fabric case, with the leather case? I don't know. What is the total? Which showroom or Apple store are you walking in? On what day, what date, what time to buy the Apple phone? Because only then will you have a sense of urgency, the passion, the focus on calculating the growth of your organization, performance of your downlines, and your own performance by constantly doing presentation and starting a direct referral to measure the potential income required for you to fulfill this dream, this goal by this specific date. Are you guys with me? You got to be scientific. Dato Sri Vijay pushed me. Every time I spoke about a dream, he would look at me and say, what day, what date, what time? All right, and that still rings in my mind today as taking your goals and dreams seriously. Or not, it's not going to work. Or not, your mind is going to play tricks on you and lie to you and tell you you have time. We don't have time. That's why I wanted you, when I did the broadcast, to write down for the first time the specific dreams and goals that you want to achieve for 2025. And I want you to reach a state of mental passion and excitement and fanatic, willing to do whatever it takes. And the easiest way is to guarantee that you see the desired results from your weekly commission is not now by going and just pushing your downlines and telling them what to do, by you going and finding your direct referrals. For you signing up a 3,000 BV downline tomorrow, or 5,000 BV, or 7,000 BV, or 1,000 BV, doesn't matter, all right? But if you can sign directs, it's within your control to place that direct referral wherever in your organization, which can double, triple your income weekly in order to achieve the goal and dreams that you have fixed for 2025. So this year, I don't want you to bull sugar yourself, your uplines, and me. I want you to take this journey seriously. I want you to really think about what you want to achieve. By when, what day, what date, what time. I will respect any dream. I will respect any size of a dream. Like I said, an iPhone could be somebody's dream, all right? But I will only respect your dream. I will only respect your goals if you have decided specifically, scientifically, when, what day, what date, what time are you walking to that store and walking out with that dream that you have chosen. Because the biggest danger of network marketing or any form of entrepreneurship is people can be in the worst comfort zone. They can be walking in circles, like I said in the video, without the independent point of reference. You can be doing so much and achieving nothing, right? And the reason why you're achieving nothing but you're doing so much, because your mind, your body, your behavior pattern doesn't know what to do, because you don't know what you want. If you don't know what you want, your mind will not know what to do. If you don't know specifically when and what you want in 2025, you will lose the ability to push yourself and lose the ability to push others. You will become a useless upline. I know exactly what I'm supposed to achieve to present to my founders this year, and that allows me to define how I live, how I work, how much I travel, how many events I have to speak. All of that comes back to my goals for 2025. So after 27 years, after achieving financial freedom, I still take this journey very seriously. And if all of you who are on the journey to financial freedom, who just started, middle of your journey, struggling or not, it doesn't matter. First, you need to know what you want. Then the world, the universe, the system will figure out what you need to do. Are you guys with me? You will not be able to achieve what you want if you don't know what it is and you only focus on what you're going to do. So this year, 2025, have that paradigm shift. Change your mindset. All right? You need to know exactly what you want. So take out that piece of paper, which I hope you did with My Life, My Story, My Time broadcast, and look at the 2025 dreams. All right? And I'm sure you wrote down 5 things, 6 things, 7 things, and I'm proud of you. And I'm happy you wrote it. Now, next to every one of that dream, what day, what date, what time is that dream going to become a reality? And then reverse engineer the whole thing and decide what you're supposed to do. Now, some people give me the excuse, Chief, it's hard to achieve my dreams because my dreams depends on my downlines, my uplines, my uncle, my mother-in-law, my cat, my dog. No. Then get off your ass. Go out there. Do direct presentations. Start new organizations. Start new lines. Start new line of sponsorship. Talk to everyone and anyone you know. Pull out your name list. Do direct referrals until you achieve that dream, because that's within your control. Are you guys with me or not? So remember the Double Love promo. Stay glued to our social media because we're going to be rocking it at We Africa. And 2025, change. Be specific. Be scientific. Be fanatical about your dreams. So take that piece of paper with your 2025 dream list. 2025, not 2026. I'm not interested. 2025 dream list. And next to every dream, sit down, be honest with yourself, be willing to pay whatever the price is required, and write down the day, the date, and time when that dream is going to be a reality. Then you become a serious networker. Then you become a serious player in this game. Then you become seriously the entrepreneur you're supposed to be. Are you guys with me? 2025, let's get serious. The year has started. 50 days is already done and dusted. I hope you didn't waste it. And if you did, it's okay. You got another 315 days to make sure you reach your limitless potential. Love you guys.